Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Yuri AI token. Ticker symbol is Yuri. Pardon my speaking voice, but just getting over a cold. So ticker symbol YURI. This token is being listed today on a central exchange, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Yuri AI token just got listed today, June 7th at 10 o'clock UTC time, on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search YURI, and then simply just buy the Yuri AI token. It's that easy. So their official webpage is yuri-ai.com. This is on the Arbitrum blockchain. They have a Twitter at YuriAI_official, and as always, I put it up here so you guys can find this token. And they have a Telegram at Yuriai Group. They also have a full white paper that you can find at yuriai.getbook.io. You will find that listed on their webpage. Their Telegram has 4,878 members, so it's doing pretty well. Their Twitter, 22,700 Twitter followers. So that's doing very well as well. Now, right now they have 3,796 holders according to their Arbiscan, 18 decimal places, 14,241 transfers, and a total supply of 500 trillion tokens. So it says here, what is Yuri AI? Well, it's an API integrated gaming eco protocol based on ChatGPT. So Yuri AI is launched to advance the combination of the blockchain industry with the AI industry and to accept the building and accelerate the building of Web3 gaming networks through the development of blockchain-based games. So Yuri AI is an API integrated gaming eco protocol that is based on ChatGPT. It allows users to, via the API, log into ecosystems embedded in the platform with a single click. In addition to blockchain networks and the artificial intelligence technology, it also utilizes the Arbitrum network to establish a Yuri AI digital chain gaming ecosystem. Yuri AI not only boosts the building of Web3 gaming networks and metaverse, but it also pushes the combination of blockchain industry with the AI industry, thus promoting the pan-entertainment game and the meta-universe era. So Yuri AI aims to enable users to entertain themselves more efficiently through AI and games while gaining profits in doing so. Yuri AI helps to generate the most suitable avatar for every user, assists users to efficiently migrate their NFT assets between each ecosystem, and enables users to interact more quickly during the game. At the same time, it gathers all users' suggestions and feeds them back to the development team, which is conducive to continuously improving the game's quality and providing users with smart, convenient, and fast services. So the Yuri AI protocol combines AI, NFTs, GameFi, decentralized finance, as well as other technologies and concepts. With its unique closed loop in business, Yuri AI links up with games and presents a brand new intelligent chain game ecosystem with two major technologies and AI of the blockchain as the cores, DeFi as the key, and NFTs as the medium, as the AICG as the tool. So the AIGC mainly refers to the use of artificial intelligence to generate content. So computing power, algorithmic models, and applications constitute the industry chain of AIGC, and AIGC not only gives machines the capability to create art, but also enables C-end users to use AI to generate content by laying out low thresholds. AIGC is an important productivity tool for building the metaverse ecosystem. Not only does it improve the performance of 2D, 3D models and scene production, but it also injects soul into the digital people and creates massive personalized content experiences. So they have the NFTs, and they call them the Yuri Da Vinci's. And you can check out their AI NFT generated NFTs. Now they have the Yuri AI Assistant as well. They have the Yuri credit card. They have the action adventure game. They call that Kajama. You can read all about that. These are all different products. And so they also have a roadmap on here, starting with the AI system development, cross-chain infrastructure with ChatGPT, AI, NFTs, API, and AIGC, Yuri AI system internal test, incubation, NFTs, promotion, release of the NFTs, DID, identity rating, NFT launch in the marketplace for the Kajama game, and then global travel, IDO, list the token, launch the game Kajama, launch the digital avatars, launch the ChatGPT gaming protocol, pre-sale of node modules, network expansion, and then release of the Y box. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, and check out all the referral codes in the description box. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day. Peace out.